Visit PAC Machinery at Modex 2026, booth C 11986. Packaging is changing, and flexibility has never mattered more. So stay ahead without replacing equipment with flexible sustainability solutions for fulfillment. Game-changing packaging that provides the choice to run recyclable paper or poly on the same machine. Just a quick, easy film changeover. Sustainability goals are evolving, regulations changing, retailers raising the bar. One system, multiple materials, built to future-proof your packaging investment. Experience flexible sustainability in action from PAC Machinery at Modex Show. Discover how to package smarter, faster, and more responsibly. Packaging with more choices with the future in mind. See you there, PAC Machinery at Modex, booth C11986.